Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Today we're going to look how to use search filters in the EGW Writings 2 app on my iPad. So to get into the search filters, you'll notice in the top right hand corner that we're going to click on the little magnifying glass there, and we're going to enter a word. So let's enter the word faith. Now, currently, you can see underneath, we're going to look at the search in. Now, currently it's in education because the last book that I opened was in education. But there's these search in filters. So if you notice that there's a book title there, it means your search results are only going to show up from that book. If you want to go back to the default search template of EGW collections, you just tap EGW collections and you notice the search in results and the results change because I have 46,996 times that faith is found, and you can see down the bottom here, it always loads the first 100 results. You can see 46,995 results. And if I come back here and I go into my history, education, you can see that there's only 61 times that faith is mentioned in the book Education. So that's the beauty of the search in filter. You've got these predefined filters at the top and then your book search history at the bottom. So we've looked here at the EGW collections. That means only the books titles that Ellen White has written. Now the all collections filter, you'll notice down the bottom it now jumps from 46 to 93,000 because that is the whole EGW Writings database. That incorporates the reference, the Bible, and the Adventist Pioneer Library, as well as EGW Writings books. Now, the next filter that we've got is we've got lifetime works. The great thing about lifetime works is these are the books that were published during Ellen White's lifetime from her pen. So this is between 1845 and 1917. Yes, she died in 1915, but Prophets and Kings was in the middle of being edited and wasn't in its final published form that we use today until 1917. So that's why we have the filter of lifetime works during that period of time. And you'll notice that the results drop down to 30,000. Now, if you want to look at compilations, that is books 1918 through to present. That's the books that the Ellen G. White estate has published since her death. And you can see the results are 14,225 times that faith is mentioned in that filter. So then we have My Bible. This is very useful because you could look for the word faith, and then you will notice that there's 231 times in the King James Bible that faith is found. So that's basically what these predefined search filters does in the app. And I showed you before in history because we clicked on education before. And then you've seen the other ones that I've opened up, like King James Version, that's shown as well. So quickly, in summary, the EGW Writing search has predefined filters so that you can search for your content within a book or a collection or a collection of a time range or within your search history. I hope this feature you find to be useful as you study and read from the EGW Writings 2 app. Always remember, go with God and be blessed. Have a nice day.